everyone, welcome back. Not getting Klarna's push notifications for payment reminders, order updates, or shipping alerts? Missing payment reminders can lead to a missed Klarna installment. Here is exactly how to turn them back on. Go to your iPhone settings and scroll down to the list of apps and find Klarna or directly search for it. Tap on it and then tap notifications and make sure allow notifications is turned on. If it's green, tap on it to turn it green. After that, check the alert style below and set it to banners or alerts, not none. Since none allows notifications technically, but nothing will appear on the screen. Turn on sounds and badges as well. Now scroll back to the top of set and tap focus. Go through each focus mode you use and make sure Klarna isn't in the silence app list under each one. Klarna payment reminder notifications specifically are time critical since missing a pay in full installment affects your Klarna account. So also confirm inside the Klarna app itself under settings that notification preferences are turned on at the app level as well. So all you've got to do is go to settings, Klarna, allow notifications style set to banners, focus mode checked, and payment reminders will come through, and that's it. Subscribe.